At 5 a.m. every day, alarm or no alarm, my body tends to wake me up. A sleep in for me is 7 a.m., which might occasionally happen on a weekend or a public holiday. I love to get up and exercise. Then after my first coffee, freshly ground single origin from a fair trade roaster, I'm ready to go. I focus on my highest priorities first thing so they can be ticked off my to-do list and then deal with everything else after that. By about 4 p.m., I know I'm starting to slow down, and I know by about 6 p.m., I'm at my least productive. I've learned over the years as a speaker, trainer and educator that the morning is my peak productivity window. It's important to recognise when you're at your best for two reasons. One, so you can group activities that require focus into your window to leverage your productivity. And two, so that when you aren't at your peak, you can adjust your activities accordingly. This knowledge enables you to select times for meetings or appointments that require focus into your peak productivity times, or alternatively take action to re-energize and shift yourself to a state of being able to focus if you need to. For me, evening activities can be a challenge, so I'll often meditate, go for a walk, or even take a 15-minute power nap to reboot my body and enable me to focus. The power lies in knowing when your peak window is. So my question to you is, do you know when you're at your most productive? If you don't, you should. And if you do, are you making the most of your window so you can get all the stuff done